In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. Now, if you get this, obviously you won't be on your desktop here, but what you want to do is when you get the error message, you want to hold down Shift and press F10. That should open up your CMD right here. And if that doesn't work, hold down Shift and FN and F10. Some keyboards have an FN button at the bottom left, I believe. But you want to try first Shift F10, see if this opens the command. If that doesn't work, try Shift FN F10. Now once you have this one open, what you want to do is you want to type regedit, just like this, press enter, and this should open up. Then in here, what we want to do is we want to go to a specific folder. So you want to head into HKey local machine, come in here, and then you want to go to systems right here. Under system, what you want to do is you want to find setup right here. Under setup, there should be one called status right there. Go to status right here. And then inside of status, there should be the child completion. You want to find this one, and then you want to find setup.exe, double click on it, and make sure value data is set to 3. Set it to 3, press OK. And then what you want to do is you want to click OK on your error message. You still should have the error message. Then you just want to click OK on this after doing this. After you've done that, it should be fixed. And that's about it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.